In today's video, we will look at the important road signs used across New York State. Let's get started. Y intersection. Yield sign ahead. Winding road. U-turn. Two-way traffic. Truck rollover. Truck escape ramp. Traffic signal ahead. Stop sign ahead. Soft shoulder. Slow vehicle. Slippery road. Sharp right turn. Sharp left turn. Sharp curve arrows. Sharp corner. School crossing. School bus stop. Roundabout. Road narrows. Railroad crossing. Pedestrian crossing. No passing zone. Narrow bridge. Merging traffic. Maximum clearance. Low ground clearance. Loop. Livestock. Left or right, double arrow. Lane ends. Lane divider. Lane added. Intersection curve. Gradual curve. Four-way intersection. Fire station. Farm vehicle. Exit ramp speed. Exit-only lane. Downgrade. Divided highway ends. Divided highway begins. Dip. Deer crossing. Dead end. Curve ahead. Bike crossing. Angled side road. Advisory speed limit. That's the end of today's video. Learning these signs is essential for safe driving. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Quiz Ocean for more road sign lessons. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.